my name is Chef Sarah. Welcome to Chef Sarah Raw Vegan Academy and Cafe in the beautiful village of Cave Creek, Arizona. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blackberry smoothie. This smoothie is so loaded with antioxidants. It's phenomenal. If you're really looking for a booster of antioxidant, this is it. So here I have blackberry and other berries. It's mixed berries. It's fabulous. Just 1 cup of blackberry, raspberry, mulberry. And here I have the banana. It's just 1 banana, frozen banana, and I sliced it. Banana is loaded with potassium. And then mulberry, it's vitamin C and antioxidant. It's really amazing. Just about a tablespoon. And a tablespoon of goji berry, which is fabulous. Beta-carotene, vitamin C, antioxidant, fabulous. And then I have here the Granny Smith apple. It's actually lower than any other apple in sugar. And the ginger, of course, which is anti-inflammatory. So I got about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger here. And to that, I'm going to add my water. It's about, I would say, 15 ounces. And we're going to blend it. Okay, here it is. It's nice and ready. And it looks so beautiful. Very, very appetizing. Wow. Look how nice and smooth and creamy it is. Yay. So, for more information about me, my book, my academy, my restaurant, please visit me at chefsarah.com, Sarah with no H. Namaste.